Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Well, in today's video we will see a complete continental meal recipe comprising of herb rice, sauteed veggies and grilled fish with lemon butter sauce, which you can enjoy either for lunch or dinner. So friends, let's get started with this amazing and delicious meal recipe. And here I have taken one portion of tilapia fish fillet, which I will cut into half. But you can take any other fish fillet of your choice. Next, we'll prepare a marination sauce. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then goes the juice of half a lemon. For seasoning goes some salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. This is smoked paprika, adding around 1/4 teaspoon of it, and 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now we'll mix this well so that all the seasonings are well combined and our marination sauce is ready. And now we will coat the marination sauce on the fish fillet. We'll rub the sauce on both the sides of the fish fillet. And we will let them rest for half an hour. Then here in this bowl I've taken some colorful veggies which has been blanched, like broccoli florets, potato cut into long strips, cauliflower florets, beans and carrot strips. And apart from this, I will also include some yellow and red bell peppers cut into juliennes. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, we'll heat a pan and into it goes around 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add some minced garlic. I have used here 3 large garlic pods. Now on medium flame, we will saute them well until the garlic turns golden brown and aromatic. And now into this we will add the steamed veggies as well as the red and yellow bell peppers. And now on medium flame we will stir them well for a few seconds. And since the veggies are already steamed, they won't take much time to get cooked. We will now quickly season the veggies with some salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. We stir the veggies with these seasonings for another 2 minutes or so until they are cooked well. And by now our veggies are done, so we'll turn off the flame. Next we will grill the fish fillet. For that we will heat a teaspoon of olive oil in a grill pan. We'll brush the oil on all the sides of the grill pan. And when the pan is hot enough, we will place the marinated fish fillet in the grill pan. We'll keep the flame on medium. After about 2 minutes, we will gently flip the fish fillet. And we'll cook for another 2 minutes till the other side is grilled well. After 2 minutes, we will check the fish fillet once. And as you can see, the fish fillet is grilled well from both the sides with lovely grill marks. So I'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And finally, I'll prepare the herb rice. For that, I'll be using Amul garlic and herb butter. Here goes a small cube of the butter. We'll spread the butter on all the sides of the pan. And as the butter melts, we will add lots of finely chopped garlic. I have used here 5 to 6 large garlic pods. We'll now saute the garlic well until they turn golden brown and aromatic. You'll get a lovely aroma of fried garlic in butter. And now at this stage we will add some steamed rice. We'll mix the rice now so that they are well sauteed with the garlic infused butter. Alright, and now we'll quickly season the rice with some salt as per taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and some finely chopped parsley. We'll mix this well one more time. And our herb rice is also ready. And finally we'll make the lemon butter sauce. For that we'll heat some butter in a pan. Say around 1/3 cup of butter, or as per the quantity of sauce you want to make. And as the butter melts, we will add into this 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We'll stir this well until the garlic turns golden brown and aromatic. And now into this goes 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We'll stir this well for a few seconds and let this simmer for a while. We will now season the sauce with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and some finely chopped parsley. We'll mix this well and allow the sauce to simmer for a few seconds. And as you can see, our lemon butter sauce is also ready. And now time to serve our continental meal. So first I will serve the garlic herb rice in one corner of the plate. Even out the edges with the spatula. Next we'll serve the sauteed veggies. Then goes the grilled fish fillet. And finally we'll generously pour the lemon butter sauce on top of the grilled fish fillet. And here goes my complete continental meal. So friends, I hope you will try this interesting meal recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more amazing recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.